Hello kids, let us solve these two problems. The first one and the second one. So I'm giving a number here, number 1 and 2. Let's solve the first problem. What he gives is point x. If 2 to the power of minus 3 is equals to 1 by 2 to the power of x. What I have to find is, I have to find the value of x over here. So here check out this. If I can write this as 2 power minus 3 as 1 by 2 power 3, and we can write 2 power x, 2 power minus x. So what I do is I simply keep this LHS as it is and I'll change RHS as 2 to the power of minus x. Since 1 by a power m can be written as a power minus m. So using that rule I have written this. Now coming to this, both bases are equal and exponents are equal and bases are equated. So we can equate the powers. Minus 3 is equals to minus x. So both signs can be cancelled. What is remaining is 3 is equal to x. So we can say that x is equals to 3. This is the answer. Let us see the second problem. So 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3 bracket close into 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 2. This is the thing as given. So we have to simplify and we have to write the simplest form of this problem. So what I am going to do is, all having, you can clearly observe that all having negative exponents, negative 2, negative 3 and negative 2. So first try to remove that. So we know the rule. So we know the rule that a by b whole power minus m can be written as b by a whole power m. So bracket close. This is what I am going to use it. Let us solve this. So this is equals to, this can be written as using the law 4 by 3 whole to the power of 2 divided by 5 by 4 whole to the power of 3. What happened here? Here the fraction is b in reverse. This 3 by 4 has become 4 by 5, 4 by 5 became 5 by 4, and we got the positive powers. The same thing I'll continue over here into, we can write this as 5 by 3 whole to the power of 2. Now see here, this is so this can be written as 4 to the power of 2 by 3 to the power of 2 divided by 5 to the power of 3 by 4 to the power of 3. So close the bracket into 5 to the power of 2 by 3 to the power of 2. What I use the condition here is, so we can write if a by b is of the form whole power m, a by b is whole power m, that can be written as a power m by b power m. So we can write this way. Now solve this. Here if you observe that there is a division symbol, so rewrite this symbol as multiplication symbol. So yeah, is equals to 4 to the power of 2 by 3 to the power of 2 into, if I replace this with into, and the whole fraction will become reverse, this whole fraction will be reversed, so that 4 to the power of 3 by 5 to the power of 3 into, I can remove the bracket now, 5 to the power of 2 by 3 to the power of 2. Now start simplifying this. So let me expand this. Yeah, there is 4 to the power of 2 is 16 by 3 to the power of 2 is 9 into 4 to the power of 3 is 64. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64 by this. I'll write this as 125. 5 to the power of 3 is 125 into 5 square is 25 and by 3 square is 9. Let us cancel if any possible here. So what are possible is 25 times of 1 and 25 times of 5 is 125. It been cancelled and nothing else we can do. So here what is remaining is 16 into 64 by 9 into 9 into 5. So we can write the simplified answer here. Otherwise we can solve in a different way here, like I'll keep this as is 4 to the power of 2 and 4 to the power of 3. So what I do is adding the powers, since the bases are equal, 4 power 2 plus 3 into 5 power 2 by, here 3 power 2 and 3 power 2 is there, so we write 3 power 2 plus 2 into 5 power 3. So we can simplify this as 4 power 5 into 5 power 2 by 3 power 4 into 5 power 3. So if you try to cancel these two things, we'll left with what is left over here is, so see here, so we left with 4 to the power of 5 by 3 to the power of 4 into 1 5 will be left. This is the final answer. And if you can solve this way, you will get a fractional value as, you can see here the value 1024 divided by 9 into 9 into 5 is equals to 405. So mostly the exponent problems will be solved this way. This is the final answer that to be used here. So use this formula. So use this exponents only to get the final answer. So mostly you try to go this way only. So try to solving exponents this way only. So we should get the simplified form of the exponent this way. So if you want any values of this exponential terms, this is your final conclusion. So hope you understand this. Let's solve these two problems. Evaluate 1 by 3 whole power minus 1. This is the negative exponent. 1 by 4 whole power minus 1 negative exponent, and to the power of minus 1. So this is the first problem, and let us solve the first problem here. So what is the first is given? See that. So write the given thing. 1 by 3 whole power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power minus 1 dot bracket of minus 1. So what I use identity here is, I use the identity that a by b whole power minus m is equals to b by a whole power m. I use this law to solve this problem. Here see that. So first, step by step we have to simplify. First we have to simplify inside bracket and then go for the outside. So 1 by 3 whole power minus 1 can be written as 3 by 1 whole power 1 minus 1 by 4 can be written as 4 by 1 whole power 1 bracket of minus 1. Now write that. Let us simplify this. So 3 by 1 whole power n can be written as 3 to the power of 1. 4 by 1 whole power 1 can be written as 4 power 1. Close the bracket, to the power of minus 1. So that is equals to bracket of 3 power 1 is 3 minus 4 power 1 is 4. Close bracket of to the power of minus 1. Now that is equals to 3 minus 4 is minus 1 bracket of 4 power minus 1. Now simplify this. So let us simplify this. How can we simplify this? So this can be written as, so say something like this by 1 is there. So reverse the fraction, like 1 by minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. So sorry, plus 1. That is equals to minus 1 is the simplified answer for this problem. Understand, students? So let us try to solve the second problem. The second problem is 5 by 8 whole to the power of minus 7 times 8 by 5 whole to the power of minus 4. So here same thing, reverse that, 8 by 5 whole to the power of 7 into 5 by 8 minus whole power minus 4. So here observe 5 by 8 has written as 8 by 5 and this 8 by 5 has written as 5 by 8. So here just see this. This is positive 4, already we have changed now, so plus 4. So powers are being changed as positive. Now simplify that. This is equals to 8 to the power of 7 by 5 to the power of 7 into 5 to the power of 4 by 8 to the power of 4. Now see that how to simplify this is, so I will just rearrange this as 8 to the power of 7 by 8 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4 by 5 to the power of 7. There is one rule for that is, so what I can use is a power m by a power n, that is m minus n, a power m minus n. If m is greater than n, this can be written as 1 by a power n minus m if m less than n. So I will use this condition here. So that is equals to, so 8 to the power of, here what is m? M is 7, so 7 is greater than, so we can write 8 to the power of 7 minus 4 into, here what is, here n is greater than, so that can be written as into 1 by 5 to the power of 7 minus 4. What is remaining here? 8 to the power of 3 into 1 by 5 to the power of 3. So altogether 8 to the power of 3 into 1 is 8 to the power of 3 by 5 to the power of 3. This is the final answer. Understand, students? This is how we can solve the given exponents. See, the next type of problems what he gave is, if m is equals to 3 given, n is equals to 2 given, then find the value of 9m square minus 10n cube. So how to solve this problem? So let's see that. The first problem I am taking, the first one, 9m square minus 10n cube, that is equals to, substitute m value as 3, n value as 2. So 9 into 3 whole square minus 10 into, in place of n I am substituting with 2. 2 whole square, sorry, whole cube is given, right? So whole cube, this is whole cube. Yes, now solve that. So 9 into 3 square value is 9. So we know that 3 square is 9. Now 2 cube is how much? 8. So minus 10 into 8. So 9 9s are 81 minus 10 8s are 80. So 81 minus 80 is 1. So 1 is our final answer. Understand, students? Yeah, let us take one more problem. So I'll take number 3 and you have to solve the rest. So number 3. What is number 3? 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n is equals to, substitute m value here. What is m value here? So here the m value is 3 is given, n value is 2. So replace with the corresponding values. So here m is 3, so 3 cube plus 3 into n square. N square means n value is 2 minus 5 into m square is 3 square into n. N value is 2. Now that is equals to 2 into, so what is this value? 3 cube value. 3 cube value is 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Plus 3 into, what is 2 square value? 2 square value is 4. Minus 5 into, so 3 square value is 9 into 2. So let us simplify this. So 2 27s are 54. Plus 3 times of 4 is 12. Minus 5 2s are 10. 10 9s are 90. Let us simplify this. So I am going to add this to, so 54 plus 12 is 66. So 66 minus 90. So subtract here 90 and 66. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Here 8 minus 6 is 2. So 24. So that is small to big subtraction. Minus 24 is the final answer. We will get minus 24 as the final answer. So understand, students, how to solve that. So here is your homework. Just solve this question number 2 as homework and solve question number 4 as homework. So solve these two problems. Solve number 2 and as well as number 4 as homework. So the same way you have to solve how I have done that. So simply substitute the m value 3 and n value 2 in the respective places, so that you will get the answer. So this is what very important for the exam point of view.